Choosing the right online community platform can be a game changer for anyone looking to build and engage a dedicated audience or customer base. Today, the spotlight is on two standout platforms in this crowded space, Mighty Networks and Skool. Both platforms bring a lot to the table, but they cater to different needs and audiences. Let's dive into what sets them apart and which might be the right choice for specific needs. By the way, if you would like to sign up to either Mighty Networks or Skool, you can click on my affiliate links down in the description of this video. Using my links doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. And with that in mind, let's get started. First, let's quickly talk about their history. In the bustling digital age of 2017, a new player emerged on the scene, Mighty Networks. It was the creation of Gia Bianchini, who had already made waves at Ning. This platform wasn't just another name in the field of online communities. It was designed to stand out. Originally, it served as a companion to giants like Teachable and Thinkific, offering a space where courses could thrive. But Mighty Networks wasn't content to stay in the background. As time passed, it transformed. Now, it's celebrated for its stellar mobile apps that keep users hooked, ensuring that community engagement isn't just a buzzword, but a reality. Skool, on the other hand, is the brainchild of Sam Ovens, a man whose name rings bells in the realms of consulting and training. It's a platform that didn't just appear, it was carefully crafted, launching in 2019 by choosing to refine its features and community behind the scenes for 2 years. In early 2022, Skool finally unveiled its full potential to the world. What sets Skool apart isn't just its foundation or its creator, it's the platform's dedication to gamification. Skool doesn't just invite you to join a community, it turns engagements into a game, making every interaction more meaningful and fun. This approach has quickly become Skool's trademark, distinguishing it as a place where community building isn't just effective, it's enjoyable. Now, let's dive deeper into comparing the two. What makes Skool stand out? Well, Skool has quickly become a beacon of innovation in the world of online community platforms. At the heart of its appeal is an exceptionally intuitive user interface and user experience, setting it apart in a crowded market. Unlike its competitor, Mighty Networks, which some users find to be a maze of confusion with its cluttered UI, Skool makes navigating its platform as easy as a gentle breeze on a clear day. This ease of navigation isn't just about moving around the site. It's about connecting. Skool's efficient search engine acts as a bridge, effortlessly linking users with communities that resonate with their interests, be it business, health, or personal development. Moreover, its slick integration feature allows users to switch between communities with the same ease as flipping channels on a TV, akin to platforms like Slack or Discord. The richness of Skool's members' profiles cannot be understated. Each profile is woven with details, photos, bios, social links, and activity metrics that together enhance the community connection. Where Skool truly distinguishes itself is in its innovative use of daily activity chart. This feature, clearly absent in Mighty Networks, provides a visual heartbeat of community engagement, offering insights that go beyond mere numbers. But the best part in Skool's offering is its gamification features. Through leaderboards, point systems, and more, Skool transforms participation from a routine activity into a rewarding adventure, making every interaction within the community not just meaningful, but also exciting. Why Mighty Networks could be your go-to. In the world where community platforms vie for attention, Mighty Networks stands firm with its own set of unparalleled features. It's a haven for creators and community leaders looking for comprehensive solutions without the hassle of external dependencies. With built-in video hosting, Mighty Networks removes the barriers to content sharing, allowing for direct video uploads up to 2 GB. This feature is a game changer for those who wish to enrich their communities with multimedia without the complications of third-party services. Furthermore, its native live streaming capability cuts the need for integrations with services like Zoom or YouTube Live, making live interactions seamless and more personal. Mighty Network doesn't stop there. It goes a step further with its unique ambassador program. This program is designed to fuel community growth by encouraging members to bring in new users through a tiered reward system. For community leaders with more ideas than time, Mighty Networks offers a done-for-you service. This hands-off approach to customization allows for a personalized platform without the investment of time typically required, appealing significantly to those who prefer to focus on community engagement over back-end experimenting. Common shortcomings. However, both Skool and Mighty Networks share a set of challenges that spotlight areas ripe for enhancements. A notable gap in both platforms is the absence of robust community moderation tools. The digital age demands sophisticated mechanisms for maintaining decorum online, yet both platforms lack features such as keyword blocking, profanity checking, and the ability to flag inappropriate contents. Furthermore, when it comes to specialized course features such as compliance, quizzes, and assessments, both platforms fall short, offering a more generalized approach that might not meet the needs of all creators. Additionally, the lack of automation and a surprising scarcity of integrations, including APIs, underscores a missed opportunity for streamlining community management and enhancing user engagement through personalized experiences. Despite their respective strengths, both Skool and Mighty Networks have room to grow, particularly in the domains of moderation, specialized course creation, automation, and integrations. These areas represent not just shortcomings, but opportunities for these platforms to evolve, better serving their communities and reinforcing their positions as leaders in the online community platform space. Choosing between online platforms like Mighty Networks and Skool for creating a community is similar to selecting the right items you need for a specific task. Both have their good points, but they also miss the mark in some areas, like not having fancy tools to make things run by themselves, or being able to connect easily with other apps, or not having extra features for courses that some people really want. Because of these gaps, some folks might lean towards other options like Circle or Kajabi, which seem to have a bit of everything. But when it really comes down to making a choice, it's all about what you think is most important for your group. If you love the idea of making everything fun and getting people really involved, Skool is the way to go. It's easy to use, makes it fun for people to take part, and has some cool tools to keep everyone coming back. Plus, it got Sam's Oven's names on it, and he knows his stuff, which makes people trust it more. On the other side, if you're all about sharing lots of videos and want to live stream directly in your community, Mighty Networks could be your best bet. It's got everything you need to upload big videos easily, go live without needing other apps, and even has a special program to help grow your community by rewarding members. They also offer a service to handle the tech stuff for you, which is great if you're not into dealing with that. In the end, picking between Mighty Networks and Skool is about figuring out what matters most for your community. Do you want the excitement and engagement Skool brings with its fun features, or do you need the broad range of content options that Mighty Networks offers? Both are great in their own way. It just depends on what your group needs to thrive. In conclusion, while both platforms offer compelling features, Skool emerges as the preferred option for creating vibrant, engaged communities thanks to its user-friendly design, gamification features, and the backing of Sam Ovens. However, for those who value comprehensive content delivery and community growth tools, Mighty Networks remains a formidable contender. And don't forget that if you would like to sign up to either Skool or Mighty Networks, you can use my affiliate links that are listed down in the description of this video. Using my links doesn't cost you anything extra, and if this video was helpful to you, you can support me by clicking on my link and signing up to them. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.